Lentils may be small, but they deserve more attention. They're delicious, they're nutritious, they're inexpensive, and they're quick to cook. 15, 20 minutes, and they can be ready to serve. Now, your most basic type are either brown lentils, which I have here, or your green lentils. They're very similar. They have a slightly earthy flavor, nice creamy texture. They can be used interchangeably. Now, I know I said they're quick cooking, but I will give you a test kitchen tip that if you want lentils that are creamy and intact, which you do if you're making a salad or a side dish, it's worth soaking them in a little salted water for 1 hour. 4 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt per cup of lentils. They cook up beautifully. If you're making soup, you don't need to do that. Now, as excited as I can get about brown and green lentils, French green lentils, often called lentils de Puy, the region they come from in central France, even better. They have a lovely flavor. The texture's creamy. They're a little bit shiny. These are actually kind of worth the extra money because they're a little bit more expensive, but they're my favorite lentils. Next up, we have, big surprise, these are beluga lentils. Yeah, it looks a little bit like the caviar. They're shiny. They've got an earthy, robust flavor. They do an excellent job of maintaining their texture. Again, both the green lentils and the black lentils here, I would use in salads. Last but not least, I have red lentils. So if you do a lot of Indian cooking, you're familiar with them. Now, red lentils start out with either a green or brown seed coat that's been removed during processing. Then the lentils are split. So this means 2 things. One, they cook really quickly, maybe in 10 minutes. They also tend to lose their texture and become velvety and creamy in dals and soups. Absolutely wonderful in Indian cooking. So lentils, prove my point. Good things come in small packages.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.